Smothered hamburger patties with green beans, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Now salt and pepper on both sides. After I flip the two, I add another one. I'm letting them cook about 2 minutes on either side. Then I'm going to remove them and put them on a plate, and then I'm going to add my gravy to it. But I want to fully cook these before adding the gravy. I want to cook each side till they're fully done, until the pink is not running in the middle. I have just flipped them, or getting almost done. Plate them and pop them in the microwave to keep them warm, and I'm going to work on the gravy. I just put on a pot of beans, and it looks like it has potatoes in it. I put salt and pepper and a little seasoning, piece of butter. Now you want to do is drain your oil and clean your pan to add the gravy to it. My gravy is a little watery. I'm waiting to it boil to get thick before I add the patties back into the mix. And you can see my green beans are starting to simmer. It's looking good. See, now it's getting thick, and you want to add your meat right back in it. I just add the patties back to the gravy, and I'm cooking it on low to just reheat the meat, because the meat is already done. Stir my beans. Taste them and see if there's how the seasoning tastes. That's actually pretty good. I'm gonna just bring it to a boil, crank up the heat. The green beans is done. I cut them off, and now I'm working on the mashed potatoes. I added salt, butter, pepper, and some seasoning for it to come to a boil, and then we add the mashed potatoes and then stir it and add more butter and more. The mashed potatoes are done, looking good. They are a little soupy, but maybe they'll get thicker when it's cooling down. I'm going to taste it to see the seasoning. Now I'm going to let it sit there and let it completely cool down, and I'm going to start on my tea. Here's the end product. Thanks for watching.